Happy Easter! Today I'm here in front of Kit's house to show you Kit's Easter candy making kit. So the kit comes with a double boiler. This is the double boiler on the stove here. It's got this cute little lid. And what a double boiler is you fill the bottom section with water and heat it up to boiling, and then you can put your chocolate in the top part here and it won't be directly on the heat, so it won't burn. So the kit comes with this cute little double boiler you put on the stove, and it comes with this little chocolate box with individual pieces of chocolate inside. And the little pieces of chocolate look like they're ready to break off, just like real chocolate. So you put your chocolate in your double boiler and melt it down. And then next you'd put it in the mold. So this little plastic silver mold here is of a bunny with like a little Easter basket on his back. So you'd put the two parts of the mold together and you'd pour your chocolate down there in the bottom part and let it harden. When it comes out, it would look like this. This little chocolate Easter bunny also comes with the candy making kit, as does this little basket with another little Easter bunny in it. So the two little Easter bunnies are just about big enough to peek out over the top there. So right now Kit's in her pretty pink apron, and there is an Easter dress for Kit, but the Easter dress is pretty rare. So what I have her in today is Rebecca's dress. I don't have the Rebecca doll, but I really liked her dress, so I put Kit in it because I think it kind of has an Easter look to it. So here's Rebecca's dress. It's got a really pretty, shiny, dark pink skirt with little gold emblems, designs on it. It's got this colored sash with these little pink rosettes. I love the collars, kind of a netting kind of fabric. I don't know if that's called chiffon or something. So then in the back, there's her skirt. It's got kind of an angular hemline that's just really pretty. And it comes with a hat, which is perfect because it's kind of like an Easter bonnet here. It's got the flowers on it and a little bit of the netting there too. So I think this looks like the perfect Easter bonnet and the perfect Easter dress and little Easter basket. So there's Kit ready for Easter. Hope you all have a wonderful Easter.